Hey guys, very good to see you again and welcome back to Technology Reviews. So in recent videos you'll have seen me say how I don't use the Apple Pencil on my iPad and iPhone because I just find they have too much pressure when using them and I instead use a stylus. So in this video I am going to review one of the styluses or a couple of the styluses I've been trying out in the last couple of months, which is the Dimples extra long ones. But before we get into this, don't forget to like, comment and share if you like what you see here. But now let's get straight into seeing what I think about the Dimples extra long styluses with replaceable tips. So the Dimples New Generation Extra Long Stylus is a pack of 4 extra long stylus pens with a 7.5-inch ultra slim radius and a 3mm micro net hybrid fibre tip referred to in this as a nib. They also come with replacement nibs, so if you lose one you can easily replace it, and elastic tether lanyards, but if you use your mouth like me, this could be a choking hazard, but they are easy to take off. The length of the stylus means it's easy to touch your touchscreen at a longer distance, and although I still have to ask for my table to be brought closer, I can now reach my iPad when I'm using it with my keyboard case, and on another high note, I can also reach all over my phone without struggling. The radius 3mm micronet hybrid fibre tips are the most responsive and finest tip available. An aluminium body mixed with the micronet hybrid fibre tips makes it feel like you're holding a real pen, only one that is 100% compatible with all touchscreen devices. As well as your stylus pens, you also get 4 replaceable nibs which can be put in and pulled out whenever you need. This is very helpful as I have experiences of losing nibs, which I now have the option of replacing until I find them, and a nib going missing or breaking no longer means throwing out the entire stylus. As mentioned in the beginning, the package also comes with elastic tether strings and 2 extras if you need them. These are so you can attach the stylus to the side of whichever device you're using, but since I do everything with my mouth, I don't use them. I've tried many different stylus brands over the years, but put simply, Dimples XL has been one of the best I've tried in a long time. I find the stylus exceptionally light, although this could be because I am so used to using my mouth. But other than having to disconnect the tether lanyard strings, I find them completely accessible for my type of disability, and as such I will give the Dimples XL styluses with replaceable nibs 5 stars.